I spent 22 years trying to figure out how to make income from home as a mom, and most of it didn't work. So stick around if that is you, because today I tell you what I finally found, and it's my favorite thing of all the things, and I love sharing it with other moms. So a little backstory. I am a homeschooling mom of 11. Yes, they're all mine. Love them dearly. Large family life here. It's been crazy but fun. And I still am homeschooling. I have 5 of my 11 kids still at home. So I'm a very busy mom. And so I love this because it's good for busy moms. But I had tried a lot of different things. In fact, I tried to count how many things the other day and I really couldn't even keep up. It's over 20. I started out selling items on eBay that I found at yard sales. That was my very first thing. I sold a Shakespeare book of poetry before I even had a camera on eBay for $25. It was the best day of my life. I probably felt like I won the lottery. It was probably worth $1 million and I didn't know. But anyway, that was my very first dollar that I made from the internet. But after that, I started to investigate. I knew this could be done. We can make money from the internet. And so I started looking at all the different ways. I started blogging. I created some ebooks to sell from my blog. I created homemade skin products. I got into that for a little while and sold a few of those, made a little money there. Sold a little bit of advertising once my blog grew a little bit. And after that, I tried Amazon affiliate. I tried print on demand t-shirts. I even sold plasma as a mom desperate to help my husband. Because here's the thing, my husband worked full time. He is self-employed and hardest worker I know, but it just was not quite enough, right? Living on one income enough was hard, but then with our large family, which we have felt called by God to accept those children. That's another story for another day. But I knew there were ways to make money from home, and try as I might, I couldn't make it work, not to be worth the effort that I was putting in. And so a few years ago, I started noticing that people were selling digital products. Now, digital products are all around us. You purchase digital products all the time, even if you don't know it. It's anything that you can download instantly because that's the world we live in. People want things instantly. And so I knew that digital products were a really great way to make money from home, and that lots of people were making good money. In fact, I had a personal friend, homeschooling mom that I knew, making millions from a digital product she created. She had created a coaching course just from some expertise that she had, and I thought, this is wild. Like, we can figure this out. So I went on a journey to try to figure out how to create my own digital products. That journey was very rough, very bumpy, and I did not make a whole lot of money, but it was a huge learning process. After all of that, I was just utterly exhausted, if I'm being honest. I was to the place where financially we needed income, period. We needed income yesterday. I had tried all the things. I was burned out. I'm very, I don't know if I'm ADD, but I'm very squirrel brain, all over the place. I was getting all this information, doing all this research, and I was just overloaded and overwhelmed, did not know which direction to go. And I just started praying, because I'm a Christian mom. Lord, help me find something. I need something that works, and I'm tired of trying. And about 2 days after I prayed that prayer, I found a link on another homeschooling mom's page on Facebook. And it was a business model I had never heard of. And I'm going to try to be brief about it. And I am just really transparent. I tell you exactly what it is, how it works, and you can see if it's for you. It's digital products with resale rights. What that meant was I could actually promote and sell other people's digital products. I could purchase the rights to sell them for 100% profit. Long story short, I made 6 figures in 10 months with this business model. Now, I almost looked away because it required an investment, and that was something in my brain we didn't have the money for. We were struggling. I mean, how do you go from not having enough money to actually pay your bills on time to investing in something that may or may not work? And that's where I was, and that was my challenge. But I knew the business model, and I knew that digital products were a very big thing on the internet, and I knew these products were already selling. I knew about how social media works, that it would work. And the best part was they gave me everything done for me. They gave me an entire system. I didn't have to think anymore. I did not have to create something else. And then they told me what to do with it. So it was never a moment that I was left alone. I never had a question of, what do I do now? It was like, here's the system, and let me tell you what to do with it. Do this first. Create this piece of content. Choose your platform, and we're going to show you exactly how to get in front of your perfect customer and the sales funnel is going to do the rest for you. And I have absolutely loved this business model for very busy moms, especially because I just work in the snippets of time around my day. It's up to you how much or how little you want to work, but your system is always out there working for you 24/7. So I average around 8,000 to 10,000 a month. I have friends doing 6 figures in a month. So if that sounds wild that I would say I make 8 to 10,000 a month, it's not. It's not. There are people making so much money selling digital products, and I want you to try to wrap your head around that. So I made a video. It explains exactly how it works. I actually show you inside the program. I'm going to drop it below in the description. Go check it out right now. Email me or reply back here to this video and tell me what your questions are and what you thought about the video. Believe me, if we could do it, you can do it.